Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark II, and today I will show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, we'll need to open up the Files app, which is for me right over here. And once you open it up, you will have the kind of like the recent files presented right over here. So we want to go on the three dots, or three bars I mean. And for me, I can only see right now the SD card, so let's actually go back, tap on the three dots and show internal storage as well. And now we should see both of them. So from here, I'm gonna go to the internal storage, and as you can see, there are several folders, but the most important ones are DCIM, downloads, and pictures. Now, DCIM will contain pictures, videos captured with the phone itself. Downloads folder will have anything that I have downloaded, and then pictures will contain screenshots. And rest of the folders are primarily empty from just like the typical files. Music, podcast, notifications. If there's something in there, it's either some kind of specific app that saves it to this location, or it could have been you yourself saving it to it. So let's actually find my files that I want to use, and I have three photos right here that I want to use as an example. So once you find your files, which like I said, photos for me, you want to select them, and the process is the exact same no matter what you're gonna be trying to move. So it could be photos, videos, documents, whatever it is, you do it the same way. And you do it by basically holding one file. It gets selected, as you can see, with this check mark, and then you can tap on additional ones to add more. So that is one way. Now if you have an entire folder full of files, I should say, that you want to move, you can actually either select all of them by tapping on a drop down. If I actually go back here, can do select all, like so, or I can keep it organized and just select the entire folder by holding it the same way, and that will also include whatever is inside of it, which in this case is the three photos. So once you have it selected, whichever way you decided to go with, you want to tap on the three dots, and you'll have two options. You can move it or copy it. Now obviously move will remove them from where they are right now and move them to a new location, while copy will create additional set of them, so you'll have duplicates. So select whichever one works for you. I'm gonna go with move, and once you select one of the options, you'll have this window right here. So we want to, number one, tap on the bar and select where we want to move it, so either somewhere on the phone or on the SD card, which I'm gonna choose the SD card for now. And from here I can drop it wherever I want on that SD card, so I can either drop it in the main directory or navigate into some kind of folder, which I'm not gonna actually bother. So once you're in that location that you want to drop it to, simply click on move or copy, and that's it. And now we go to the SD card. You can see that it is somewhere right here, along with all the content of that folder. And that is basically how you remove your files. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.